Got this old ass Mac toolbox and I'm loving it. Just curious if anyone knew about how old it was. Triple stack, center boxes, 3-drawer, 4-drawer top chest. Eight drawer on the bottom. Pretty tall. Picked it up in an auction a few states away. I needed a bigger box. Got a good deal on it. I'm happy with it. It's old as shit. Can't afford one of those $10,000 boxes, but I like old shit anyway, as long as it works good. Had to dolly out a few dents. Wipe about who knows how many years of grease and somebody else's boogers off of it. You know how nasty ass mechanics are. If anyone knows about the age of this thing, man, or has an idea, I've looked for numbers, I can't find any. Let me know. Appreciate the comments.